A particle of mass m is projected from the ground with an initial speed u0. So this is mass m, that is u0, and at an angle alpha with the horizontal at the highest point of its trajectory. highest point of trajectory पे इसके पास जो वेलोसिटी है that is u0 cos alpha, क्योंकि वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन का वेलोसिटी तो ज़ीरो हो गया है, that's why it's the highest point, and mass is m with the horizontal. At the highest point, it makes a completely inelastic collision with another identical particle which was thrown vertically upward from the ground with the same initial speed u0. तो ये ग्राउंड से u0 स्पीड पे फेंका गया है. अब देखिए ध्यान से, दिस इज द मैक्सिमम हाइट विच इज u0 स्क्वायर sin square alpha divided by 2g. So now this is a, this is b. So therefore ये b वाला जो मास m है, in order to reach here, यहाँ पे जब वो पहुँचा तो उस समय उसका वेलोसिटी कितना है, what is its velocity, let us find out. So for b we are calculating, so v square equals u square plus 2as. So final velocity is v square, initial velocity was u0 square plus 2as plus 2 into acceleration is minus g into s is u0 square sin square alpha divided by 2g. Gone. So v square is u0 square 1 minus sin square alpha, which is u0 square cos square alpha. So therefore v becomes u0 cos alpha. So therefore now let us go for the collision. So now this a particle mass m, and this is u0 cos alpha in this direction, and there is a b particle which is having again mass m, and it is having u0 cos alpha in the upward direction. So therefore after the collision the total mass becomes 2m. So therefore in this direction it is u0 cos alpha divided by 2. In this direction again it's u0 cos alpha by 2. Okay, so therefore it will be going at an angle of 45 degree, which is pi by 4. Okay, now one common mistake which students may do is like they may consider, okay, so this is going with u0 and at an angle alpha, so here it's like u0 cos alpha. Okay, so now the time taken for it to reach here is 2u sin theta by g divided by 2. So therefore u0 sin alpha by g. And what students may do, a common mistake is, they may assume that this u0 after reaching, like here, it has already traveled time t, and therefore we can calculate the velocity. But that will not work, because this is not thrown at the same time when a was thrown in the air at an angle alpha.